Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family, and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello everyone, Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report for July 10th, 2024. Representing Powers here, local hamburger place. I was in their slider eating contest yesterday, but I only got 13 down in 10 minutes, and somebody got 20 that won. So congratulations to the winner. Great local place, a reason to move here actually, among the many reasons that this is a great area. We saw a lot of downs this week actually. We can try to blame it on the 4th of July. We can blame it on coming to the end of the selling season. Looking back historically, I couldn't really see any big indicators as to either on that, but that's why we report it every week. We come to you with this transparency, showing you what the market is. Active available homes, which are on the market for sale, available to see, not under contract. Looking at down 3% week over week, but up 34% year over year. New listings came in down 21% week over week, down 17% year over year. Solds came in down 50% week over week, down 32% year over year. Pendings came in down 9% week over week, down 7% year over year. Median sale price came in at $266,400, showing appreciation of 11% versus last year's number. Days on market did slow up quite a bit, slowed up about 13 on average from last week, up to 30 average days on market, 7 median, which is also up from 4 last week, versus last year at this time we were at 11 average and 4 median. Last 12 months sold came in at 4,352 versus last year 4,618, showing down just 5.7%. We've been seeing that number come up since it hit its high last year of about 18%. And we got to remember last year was a housing recession. It was one of the lowest homes sold in the last decade. So we still are seeing up from that, and market's always moving, people making moves. If you're one of them that needs to make a move, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.